Hey guys, Ian here. I just thought it might be a little bit spooky kind of fun to drive you into my camp at night here. Hopefully the phone doesn't fall or anything. The camera here, if it does, I will reset it for us, okay? I'll just take it easy. Gonna open my window a bit here. Need to get myself a new muffler. Imagine why they would like this area back in here. I'm not seeing much for lights. I'll do a little turnaround at the top of the turn here so you can see the behind view. So what I will do is now we're back up onto the road that is the detoured road. That's the way we're going. Oh, the fog is so thick we don't get to see anything this way. So right now you would be, I'm pointing down a little bit, but we would be able to see a bunch of lights out that way. And right in the trees back in there, kind of right just above the light, the bricks, straight back in there, there's lots of where they hang out and stuff. So maybe with a little luck, they're gonna give us a twinkle there or two. I'm gonna turn right around here. From that way, you can see how, and we're close, and there's no lights there. Okay, sure it is foggy, guys. You get to see a couple of lights there. Let me do this. So we get to see a little bit of lights there. Okay, so we're gonna turn, once I get back all the way up the street, let me see what I do here. How'd you like to do it that way? We'll just back up. I think I'm doing okay. Just gotta get a zoning on the road here. There we go. Yeah, we found it there. Alrighty. So this is where we're at, guys. Let me pick this up like this. I think is okay. Just had the dim lights on there. Nice. That's the clouds moving, guys. That's the clouds moving. That's amazing, eh? Did you hear that little whistle of wind? Good night. Don't forget to sub, like, share.